friends! Welcome to DoodleDoo Kids! Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin!
Lines and dots and twisty swirls, hearts and stars and candy pearls. Everything's a masterpiece. With DoodleDoo we never cease. Draw it out loud, big and proud. Color the sky and paint the cloud. Doodle here and doodle there. Let's fill the world with doodle fair. Draw it out loud, draw it out loud. With DoodleDoo we're super proud. Hey, hey, hey! What do? We draw and color with DoodleDoo. Oh, yeah! Grab your pen, it's time to start. Let's draw a tiger or a tart. First a circle, then a square. Now it looks like bunny ears. Add a smile and funny nose. It's a doodle and it grows. Draw it out loud, big and proud. Color the sky and paint the cloud. Doodle here and doodle there. Make your mark just everywhere. What's that shape? Is it a fish? Let's draw sprinkles on a dish. Draw a rocket, draw the moon. Zoom, 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 we'll blast off soon. Draw it out loud, big and proud. Color the sky and paint the cloud. Doodle here and doodle there. Make your mark just everywhere. Draw a sun with a face. Draw a snake. Winning a race. Draw a crown on a cat. Now draw a dog that wears a hat.
Great job,
Stop, stop,
little
clap,
artists!
clap.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with DoodleDoo Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.